On my side as well, yes, we were talking about what is the root cause of migration. I mean, people don't want to leave their homes unless they really have to. And when they have to, when they don't have, jobs and they can't provide living for their families. So it is also in our interest that there is prosperity in Africa, there is jobs in Africa, and we don't have the migration pressure. So therefore, we discussed critical raw materials, for example. How is the technology transfer so that, the prosperity would stay in Africa, although we need the critical raw materials for our industry, but the jobs would be there. Then we also discussed, investments in Africa, and that is also related to access of capital. For example, the international financial, the reform of international financial architecture, so that the access to capital wherever you make investments is similar, and of course also prevention of conflict, because again, why people are fleeing their homes? Because they can't live there. So all these topics were also on our agenda. We didn't particularly discuss the fish, though, although the fish has been very on top of the agenda of European Union recently, because we had the deal with the UK. But in more general terms, what could be the cooperation points so that there would be jobs and prosperity in Africa, and therefore no migration pressure, so we wouldn't also have those problems. Thank you.
We continue with the first row. Yes, please. The mic is coming.